Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation will cover DTC P0532, which stands for AC Pressure Sensor Circuit Low Voltage, as noted in Honda CRV 2017 to 2022 models. This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, indicates a low voltage signal from the AC pressure sensor. The AC pressure sensor plays a critical role in monitoring the refrigerant pressure within the air conditioning system. It provides vital data to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which manages the overall operation of climate control within the vehicle. Understanding this DTC is important not only for effective diagnostics, but also for ensuring optimal performance of the vehicle's air conditioning system. We will be going through steps to accurately identify and remedy this issue, starting with a detailed error description. The DTC P0532 refers specifically to the AC pressure sensor's function in the vehicle's air conditioning system. The AC pressure sensor measures the refrigerant pressure to help manage the air conditioning's performance. This sensor is typically located in the AC system near the evaporator or compressor. It sends voltage signals to the PCM to inform it whether the refrigerant levels are adequate for optimal cooling. The sensor operates within a specific voltage range, and when the voltage falls below 0.24 volts, the DTC P0532 is set. If this error is detected, it typically indicates that there could be a faulty sensor, poor electrical connections, or problems within the wiring that needs thorough investigation. The DTC P0532 has several potential causes. A primary suspect is a faulty AC pressure sensor, which may be malfunctioning and sending incorrect voltage signals. Alternatively, poor electrical connections at the sensor or at the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, can lead to communication issues and erroneous signals. This could also be due to dirty or corroded terminals. Additionally, wiring issues such as open or shorted wires could disrupt the proper signal flow between the sensor and the PCM. Identifying which of these issues is present is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Symptoms that could indicate the DTC P0532 include inconsistent performance of the air conditioning system, where it might not blow cold air as expected. Drivers may also notice unusual changes in air temperature or any lag in air conditioning operation. Additionally, in some instances, a warning light may illuminate on the dashboard, indicating a malfunction. Observing these symptoms often prompts further investigation into the AC system and its associated components, especially the pressure sensor. Hence, understanding these symptom patterns can help in diagnosing the root cause more efficiently. Begin the troubleshooting process by starting the engine and allowing it to idle. This creates the necessary conditions for the AC system to operate, providing accurate readings. Next, turn the blower switch on to engage the fan and ensure that the air is circulating through the system. After that, activate the AC switch to enable the air conditioning system. This will help in examining whether any voltage readings can be obtained. The next critical step involves using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check specific parameter values related to the AC pressure sensor for immediate insights into functionality. Switch the vehicle to the off-lock mode initially to ensure safety during electrical checks. Disconnect the AC pressure sensor's 3P connector. This isolation will help in assessing the sensor's functionality without any influence from the system. Once the connector is removed, turn the vehicle to on mode while leaving the engine off. The HDS will then be used to evaluate the voltage reading once again, providing critical information regarding the AC pressure sensor's status under these conditions and whether the system responds adequately or not. With the vehicle in on mode and the AC pressure sensor disconnected, Measure the voltage across the designated test points. Specifically, you will check the voltage between the female terminals of the AC pressure sensor's 3P connector, namely test point 1, terminal number 1, and test point 2, terminal number 3. Ideally, you are looking for a voltage reading of about 5.0 volts. If this voltage is present, it indicates that the circuit is functioning correctly, and the next step is to replace the AC pressure sensor itself, as it's likely the sensor that is defective. If 5 volts is not present, this suggests further investigation is required. After ensuring the vehicle is in off, lock mode, jump the short circuit SCS line using the HDS and wait for more than 1 minute. This allows for a complete reset of the system and efficient diagnostics. Disconnect the PCM connector A, 51P, to isolate the PCM from electrical checks. Then, you will need to check for continuity between the AC pressure sensor's number 3 terminal and the PCM connector A's number 29 terminal. If there is continuity, it indicates that the VCC6 wire is functioning properly, and future steps should include consulting authorized service information or replacing the PCM if issues persist. No continuity indicates an open wire that needs attention. Again, place the vehicle in off-lock mode and perform the SCS line jump with the HDS, waiting over 1 minute for thorough diagnostics. Disconnect PCM connector A, 51P, to continue isolating various segments of the electrical system. Measure continuity between the AC pressure sensor's number 2 terminal and body ground. If continuity is found, it indicates a short in the PD sensor wire that must be repaired to restore functionality. However, if there is no continuity, the PD sensor wire is likely operational, and further steps should be to consult authorized service sources and consider substituting a known good PCM to resolve persistent faults. After completing the necessary repairs, it is crucial to verify the effectiveness of your work. Begin by testing the operation of the AC system to ensure it is functioning as expected and successfully producing cool air. This active testing helps in confirming the integrity of the repairs carried out. Additionally, after repairs, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check if any DTCs reappear. Ensure that DTC P0532 does not return, thus validating that the root cause of the problem has been addressed effectively. Confirming these points is vital, not only for customer satisfaction, but also for maintaining service reputation. Engaging in preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering DTC P0532 in the future. Regularly inspect electrical connections associated with the AC pressure sensor, as loose or corroded terminals can lead to malfunctions. Routine sensor inspections allow for early detection of wear or faults in the sensor itself, ensuring that any problems can be remedied before they escalate. Additionally, maintaining the wiring in good condition through checks and repairs will help ensure consistent functionality of the system. Taking these proactive measures not only contributes to smoother AC performance, but also enhances the vehicle's overall reliability. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0532 and its implications is crucial for effective vehicle maintenance, particularly for Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. Recognizing the symptoms early can lead to timely troubleshooting and repairs. By systematically following the outlined troubleshooting steps, technicians can efficiently diagnose and resolve issues harboring within the AC pressure sensor circuit. This guides you through checking for sensor functionality, verifying wiring integrity, and replacing faulty components as needed. Lastly, Ensuring repairs are validated through tests and preventive measures can enhance the longevity and efficiency of the AC system, ultimately contributing to better driving comfort and satisfaction. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.